Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene, and you guys, in this video I'm going to do a winter inspired nail design, glittery beautiful. But before I go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media account, show me some love, and then come back and let's get into it. So you guys, this is a refill, so I've already got the old acrylic off. Don't mind that excess blue and black acrylic because we will be getting that off. I will show you how to get it off. And I've already prepped the nails. I have a video on how I show that in detail, how I prep nails, so I will put that link for you guys in the description box below. And now we are going to apply a thin layer of clear acrylic. But after applying acrylic on the pinky, I just got a good idea what I did. I didn't only apply clear acrylic on the nail bed, but I'm applying acrylic on the whole entire nail because the nails were very thin after getting the old acrylic off, and I wanted to get that blue acrylic from underneath off with my e-file later. So that's why I've applied the clear acrylic over the whole entire nail, so I didn't have to apply too much white acrylic when I'm going to do the nail. So when we are going to file the blue acrylic off from underneath, the nails will be not too thin. So that's why I've applied a thin layer of clear acrylic over the whole entire nail to prevent the nail to get too thin after getting the old acrylic off from underneath. So that's what I'm doing on all the nails. Okay, guys, so now I'm applying some white acrylic. This is not the XX white from Young Nails, but this is the core white, so it's a little bit milky. I'm applying this white on all the nails except from the middle finger, but I will explain you guys when we get to the middle finger what I'm doing on that nail. And yeah, just keep on watching this mesmerizing footage because I just think it's so satisfying to watch. And I will get to you guys back when we get to the middle finger. So now we are on to the middle finger. I'm applying the blue acrylic, the light blue. This color is from Tones. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. and I'm applying it at the nail bed area and smoothing it down into the free edge. And at the free edge, I'm using the same white acrylic that we have used on the other nails to make that ombre look, to get like a snowy, cold feeling nail design. I don't like cold, you guys. So you know that from me, I don't like cold weather. I just love the sun and all those things. But now it's winter in the Netherlands, so we have to make the best out of it. So that's why I make pretty nails for in the winter. So now I'm applying the white acrylic at the free edge to smoothing it into the nail bed area to make that beautiful ombre effect. And because the white is like a milky white, you can get that perfect ombre effect. It's kind of the same when you're going to do a baby boom. If you didn't see my baby boom videos, I will put also that video in the description box below, so you can see how to get the easiest way to get the perfect baby boom. So when I'm done applying the white acrylic and when I'm satisfied with the ombre, I'm going in with some clear acrylic and encapsulate this nail, so when we are going to file the nail, we don't get the ombre off. Okay, so yes, just keep on watching. So this is how the nails look after application. This is how they look from underneath. But don't worry, you guys, we will get it off later when we are filing the nails. So as you can see, I'm already filing it from underneath with my medium grit bit. And I'm using also this bit to smooth down the nails and to also shape the nails a little bit. And yeah. Hey you, if you're still here watching, I really want to take a moment and thank you, babe. Thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're still watching but not subscribed yet. I think it's just a shame that you're still here but you're not subscribed yet, babe. Go ahead and join the family. And if you're still here watching, let me know by commenting a snowflake emoji in the comment section below. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language, Papiamento, will be winter, and winter means winter. We just say it a little bit different. We just say winter. So now I'm using my tapered bit to smooth down and even out the cuticle area. So now I'm using my undernail cleaner bit to get off the old nail from underneath and to also get the old some left spots from the old set that I had before from the dark blue from underneath. And you can just see how clean it is from underneath, so that clear layer really helps. And yeah, you guys, so that's what I'm doing on all the nails, and this is how they look, really clean as it was a full set. So I really will recommend this nail bit and also recommend that clear layer. So now I'm going to use my hand file and I'm going to perfect the shape. So after filing, buffing and cleaning the nails, I'm going to apply my clear rubber top coat from the gel bottle on the ring finger and the index finger, because we are going to do a sugar effect. So I'm applying that thick gel polish so the glitter will stick very well into the gel polish. A gel top coat, I mean. So I'm applying that on the ring finger and the index finger, and when I'm done applying that, I'm going to use some Aurora glitter. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below, and I'm going to sprinkle it all over the nail and to get a sugar effect. And after I'm done applying the glitter, I will cure it on my lamp without touching the nails, so we don't move any glitter or any top coat. So when I'm done sprinkling the glitter, I will cure the nails first before getting on to the next nails. So now that I'm done applying the glitter, I have cured it on my lamp, and now I'm using a brush and dusting off the excess glitter. And now I'm going to apply some white gel polish on the middle finger. I'm going to make some icicles. Do you call it icicles? I think so, dripping ice. I'm going to paint it with some white gel polish. But you guys, I have to say I did a mistake. I didn't cure this nail properly. I don't know what I did. I think I have misplaced the nail under the lamp. The nail wasn't really under the lamp. I think that was the problem, but as you guys know, I fixed it. I just fixed it at the end. But make sure you cure your gel polish properly, you guys, so you don't make the same mistake as I did. So I'm just like painting this randomly, and if you're satisfied with it, you're going to cure it under your lamp, but cure it properly, you guys. So after I'm done curing it, I'm going to apply some gel top coat over the white gel polish. I'm applying the gel top coat on all the nail, over the whole entire nail, and curing it again. And I'm going to apply some crystals on the pinky, so I'm applying the clear rubber gel again and applying some extra gel polish. I mean the clear rubber gel where I'm going to apply the crystals. So as you can see, I'm applying some little extra to apply the crystals, and then I'm going to cure the nails. And on the thumb, I didn't do any design, so I've just used my regular gel top coat on the thumb and cured that also. And now we are going on the last part. I'm going to do the sugar effect also on the icicles, and as you can see, it didn't cure properly because when I applied the rubber gel, it just got off. So yeah, that pissed me off, but I fixed it, you guys. So after I've cured this nail, now I'm applying the clear rubber gel over the design that I've did with the white gel polish, because I think when you pour the glitter directly on the gel polish, I don't think it's staying as good as it will stay when you're sprinkling the glitter over the clear rubber gel. So that's why I always use clear rubber gel to do my sugar effect. So that's why I didn't do that on the gel polish, but I cured it over the nail, the whole entire nail, and just applied the clear rubber gel with a small little brush over the cured top coat. And now I'm sprinkling the glitter over the nail, and it will just take the part that I've applied with the clear rubber gel at the white parts from the nail, so the icicles. I really hope you guys enjoy understand what I'm saying. Sometimes when I'm talking, I don't know if I'm clear enough. But yeah, you guys, I've just cured the nails, I've applied some cuticle oil, and you guys, this is the end result. Love the end result. Let me know if you have liked this video by giving this video a big thumbs up, so I know that you like this kind of videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really hope you have liked this video. I really hope you have enjoyed it and learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and don't forget to share this video with everybody who loves winter. I don't, but if you love winter, just share this video with everybody, with your family and friends, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.